Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzel. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I've made myself a little acetate tool that I expect to use to make marks. I've got a pre-primed with mead and black paint canvas that I'm going to separate into 4 sections with a bunch of different things. I've got some vivid, intense gold opal. I'm just going to give myself some lines. Alright, so I'm not entirely 100% sure what I want to do here, but I'm starting, and that's how it goes. This is another vivid intense. This is the white. I may use cards. My intention is to use cards to swipe with. I don't know why I'm tightening the top down on that, because it's not a good idea. I also want some black in here, but evidently in the last moment that I left it open, it sealed itself up. I got some, that's all I need. Just going to put that in the middle. It's going to wind up getting pulled into some colors for some drama if I'm lucky. I'm glad I left that white. Or I hope I left that white. There we go. I got it. Alright, so I'm going to give myself, this is a similar painting to a painting I did years ago. And I'm going to use similar colors. That was the Tuscan Sun in a Prizm pour. This is Orange Crush in a Prizm pour also. There's the Saffron Prizm pour also. I'm going to do some more of that saffron. I don't know where all the paint chips are coming from, but it should not be much of a mystery in all truthfulness. Alright, so just to be different, I'm going to use the Wild Orchid and some Blue Velvet. Both are Prizm pours. I'm going to put a little Cerulean blue in there. Not sure about that. Going to use a little Indigo Violet. I need some pale blue. I have some somewhere. I have some Snapdragon and Poseidon with some Chantilly lace, or no, it's Diamonds and Pearls. I kind of want the whole top to come right off of that thing so I can use it more easily. I want some lighter purple. And down here I'm going to put some Rhapsody Rose. I think I'm going to use some Chantilly lace. Better go easy, because I want this to be, whoa, I don't have a lot of that. That's precious. That's Rhapsody Rose. This is the Jasmine. This is Cupid's Crush, which should be opened. I think I'm going to indulge myself in a little bit of that saffron right there. A lot more Tuscan Sun. But by the same token, I have a color I haven't used, and I think that's going up there too. This is Sour Lemon with Orange Crush in it. I have a lighter yellow and I might need it. I haven't used any of this shiny taffeta for a while. And fortunately for me, it's still open. Yay! And this is where I'm going to go ahead and use some white. Whoa. Get a few bottles out of the way so I've got some elbow room. And see what happens. Use my colors and then use my textures. I've got a studio rag, but it's not damp. I need to take a moment and dampen my studio rag because that's imperative. And I'm going to grab, I didn't finish over here, some Mystique. Come on out. There's a couple of bottles that I just don't care for, and they're the ones with the square shouldered tops. That's not behaving. That's because the cone is full of paint. Not anymore. Alright, so let me grab a couple small cards. Get that water off the canvas. And I'm going to bring back the blue velvet. The wild orchid. And I think I want some midnight shadow. The colors will be listed underneath the video. Now I'm not sure where to start, so I'm going to start wherever. I'll just put that card down. Nope. There it is. And I need the orange in here. With Cupid's Crush, which is a Prizm primary element. I'm happy to, when I squeeze it this hard, I'm always happy it's not going to explode. Now I'm kind of interested in, if I have a toothy tool, I'm really inclined to just go ahead and use it at this point to start. I should have used a real red. Where do I got it? That was Poinsettia, which is still not real red. I have some Big Apple here somewhere. It's been a while. Who knows what's going to come out? There we go. That's what I needed. And in here. I'm really getting inclined to just go ahead and give myself permission to use some gold. That's Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Not sure it matters to me that there are little black gaps. I think they add interest to the whole composition. Don't really want to waste the paint. I'm not sure it belongs up there, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. See if I get a chance to use my toothy tool. That is something that does not belong. I'm going to find a way to scrape that paint right off of there. put it down in the scrape dish. So if I need to use it, I have it. Then I'm going to wipe off my card and make sure that's not operating too badly. I kind of like it. I like this yellow. We'll see. Maybe a smaller card for right now. Wipe off your card again. Great colors. I'm going to throw that one in the bucket. Maybe if I have time I'll show you the original painting. I think I'm going to want to add some colors, some white back in or some black back in. But it's okay right now if I don't do that. I forgot something. Oh well. I made a mistake. Maybe I can fix it. Let's see if I can fix it. I can't imagine. I must not have been paying attention. Wipe that spatula off. I might need it in a second. Yes, it was supposed to be yellow. With a little bit of orange. And I'm thinking a playing card will work too. Resolve my issue if I have one. Where's my Tuscan Sun? I need something down there. I think it's going to be Jasmine. Yeah, I like that. Now it's time to get funky. Where did my Mystique go? No. Sparkling aqua will have to do. But I am going to put some more white in. with a Maiden Black. I've got 3 minutes to keep playing, and I think at this point that's what I need to do. I need to just play with my design, whatever inspires me. And I don't mind mixing the colors up a little bit. Like in whatever's on the card will work to a degree. I want some more white. I may not blend all that white in. I still want my little tool. I like the idea of taking some paint from down here, putting it up there just to see what would happen. I don't like it. Getting too busy. Hi, found the Mystique. Good. I want some. Be probably a good idea to rinse my card off in between, for sure. Or your card, in this case. I've got 1 minute left to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. You can find my Amazon link on the link tree below Show More, along with a 20% off Colourarte coupon code and a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs code. And you can leave me a question and I'll get back to you in comments, or you can use my community board. Every time. I kind of want to grab that rake. I don't mind that. So I've got 1 minute left to tell you guys I love you. I hope you come again. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. I'm distracted by my painting. My email address is easpb and the word